In our funded and focused feature, for entrepreneurs looking to use artificial intelligence, here is a 6-tool stack with costs and purpose. First up is Claude Pro. At $20 US a month, think of this as your chief of staff. This is your thinking partner in writing. So use Claude to draft proposals, respond to client emails, write social media captions, create service packages, and work through pricing decisions. The key is learning to prompt Claude well. Treat it like you're briefing a really smart employee. Next up is Canva Pro at $15 US a month. Consider this your creative director. The AI features in Canva such as Magic Write, Magic Design, and Background Remover let you produce professional social posts, flyers, price lists, pitch decks in minutes. Especially valuable if you've been paying a freelancer or graphics for work. Another option is Wave, which is free, or Zoho Invoice, which is $16 US a month. Now think of these as your bookkeeper. Wave is completely free and purpose-built for small businesses. It handles invoicing, payment tracking, and basic financial reports. Zoho Invoice adds more automation and client portals. Either eliminates the chasing payments problem. Number 4 on your list is MailChimp. It is free and goes up to $13 US a month. This is your marketing manager. The free plan covers up to 500 contacts and 1,000 emails a month. And this is enough for most small Caribbean businesses to start. Use it to send promotions, keep your customer list warm, and automate follow-ups after someone books or buys. Number 5 on our list is Calendly. That's also free but goes up to $10 US a month. This is your appointment secretary. So you share one link, clients pick a time, reminders go out automatically. This alone saves hours of WhatsApp negotiation every week, and it handles the Caribbean time zones cleanly. Last on our list is Zapier. It is free to $20 US a month. This is your operations assistant, and it's the glue that connects everything. Example flow. Do you have a new Calendly booking? Well, Zapier would automatically add that to Google Sheets and then trigger a MailChimp welcome email. So the free plan allows up to 5 automations, which is plenty to start. So the whole package of 6 AI generated tools to help run your business is between $35 to $82, depending on which free tiers you stay on. So starting out, you can run the whole stack for about, say, $35 a month, which is Claude and Canva, and then everything else is free. So if you're looking where to start, think about setting up Calendly and Wave first. They solve the 2 most painful daily problems of business, which is scheduling and getting paid. And both have meaningful free tiers. Add Claude Pro once you're ready to start delegating your writing and thinking work.